Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am super excited to be bringing you this video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free VC using an NBA 2K26 VC glitch. This method is going to allow you to get 450,000 VC for completely free, and this is a working glitch in 2K26. Guys, before I show you this method, do make sure you drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button, because I'm always creating updated glitches for 2K26. So yeah, this method is going to get you 450,000 VC, which costs around $100 US, and this is a working glitch right now, guys. So everyone can do this on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, all platforms. Super easy. This actually uses a working locker code that you can get, and it is a glitched locker code, guys. It's going to supply you with 450,000. So to get your locker code for this amount of VC, I do recommend you use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well if you don't have an Apple product. But I'm an Apple fanboy, so I've opened up Safari and I'm going to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, guys, is going to bring you to this game code website, and it is an awesome site. They have pages and pages and pages and pages of codes. So yeah, that's a lot of pages. So you're definitely going to want to use the search bar at the top where it says search here. And in there, just type in what we're looking for, NBA 2K26. Click on that page and it's going to come up here. There are a few different codes on this page. Like I said, these are locker codes, and this NBA 2K26 VC glitch is going to get you a VC locker code, 450,000 VC for free. This is awesome. Click on get code, and as you can see, this confirms your selection, and then you need to click on this button here. Now, I've already done this, guys, and as you can see at the top, these are limited codes, so you can only do this once. So if you're coming on Crash Coupons thinking you can get 100 of these codes, you're going to be mistaken, because as you can see, you need to unlock your code for your 450,000 VC. So basically, to get this 2K26 glitched VC code, you need to click on this button. And you just got to follow the instructions on this page here, guys. It is super easy. It takes a few minutes to do this. I did this earlier, like I said, and it is pretty fast. It says here, complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page. As you can see, they're all completely free. And these are really easy things like playing mobile games, answering surveys, opening mobile apps. Just make sure you read the description. There is some text that tells you how to complete each task. As an example, this one is a survey. Enter your email, so you basically tap on it. These are really easy, these ones where you just answer some questions like this. Doesn't even matter how you answer, and you have to input your correct email, because it does verify, as it says here, verifies you're not a robot. So yeah, just complete 2 tasks, follow 2 of the task instructions, fully complete them, and it's going to basically send you back to Crash Coupons. Like I said, I've already done this earlier, but yeah, basically if you do everything, your code will be revealed here. And this is a glitched code, guys, so you can grab it, redeem it in 2K26, and that is going to supply you with 450,000 VC. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is the easiest and fastest VC glitch in 2K26. Just go to Crash Coupons and then search for this codes page, guys, and just select the 450,000 VC code. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace.